It's pretty loud here again. You know that kind of background noise, don't you? Noise in production cannot be completely avoided, especially when transport equipment is moved. But there is a very easy and effective measure. Let's take a look at it. Here we have a trolley with plastic casters. The trolley is easy to move despite heavy loads, but it is extremely loud. So what alternatives do we have? Under this trolley we have polyurethane wheels from the Blickle Besthane soft series installed. They carry the same loads as plastic casters, are just as easy to move, but unlike plastic casters, they are very quiet. Noise during transport in production can be minimized. With the help of Blickle polyurethane wheels, you can reduce background noise enormously.